Intro. Hey there, you've just finished a massive download. You're eager to dive into the new game, movie, or software. But there's one final hurdle, the transfer speed. Ever wondered, how long will this take? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton transfers and finding out just how fast, or slow, they can be. Understanding Newton transfers. Before we get into the speed, let's clarify what a Newton transfer actually is. In simple terms, it's a method of transferring data between two devices over a network. It's often used for larger files or when there's a lot of data to be moved. Newton transfers work by breaking down a large file into smaller chunks. These chunks are then sent individually, and the receiver reassembles them back into the original file. This might sound complicated, but it's a reliable and efficient way to move data. Factors affecting transfer speed. Several factors can influence how quickly a Newton transfer completes. Let's break them down. File size. Larger files naturally take longer to transfer. The more data there is, the more time it will require. Network bandwidth. The speed of your internet connection plays a crucial role. A faster connection means faster transfers. Network congestion. If your network is busy with other traffic, it can slow down your transfer speed. Hardware. The capabilities of your devices can also impact performance. Older or less powerful hardware might struggle with larger transfers. Distance. Physical distance between the devices can introduce latency, which can slightly affect transfer speed. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world scenarios to get a better understanding of Newton transfer speeds. Transferring a large game. If you're downloading a game that's several gigabytes in size, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on the factors mentioned earlier. Backing up a hard drive. Backing up a full hard drive can be a time-consuming process. Depending on the size of the drive and your network speed, it could take days. Streaming a high-definition movie. While streaming doesn't involve a direct Newton transfer, it's still a good example. A high-quality movie requires a significant amount of data to be transferred, so a slower connection might result in buffering or quality issues. Tips for faster transfers. If you want to speed up your Newton transfers, here are a few tips. Optimize your network. Ensure your router is up to date and placed in a strategic location. Consider using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Prioritize transfers. If you have other devices or applications using the network, try to pause or close them while the transfer is in progress. Use a transfer manager. Some transfer managers can optimize the process by breaking down files into smaller chunks and sending them in parallel. Consider cloud storage. If you frequently transfer large files, using a cloud storage service can be a convenient and efficient option. Conclusion. The speed of a Newton transfer can vary greatly depending on various factors. While it's impossible to give a definitive answer to the question how long does Newton take to transfer, understanding the key influences can help you manage your expectations and optimize the process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.